zero point 0.1 times 0.001. So this decimal number is a power of 10. We see zero point 0.1, 0.01, 0.001 are power of 10, but these are less than 1. 10, 100, 1000, these are also power of 10, but these are greater than 1. Since this is less than 1 and also a power of 10, just count to find the product, just count the number of places here after decimal 1 to 3 places. So decimal point will move in this factor 3 place from right to left. So 1 place, then consider a placeholder 0, 2 place, then 3 place. 0.001 is your answer. 0.001 is your answer. That is 0.001 is your answer. This 0 means this number is less than 1.